Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel Camellia here, and today I am going to create a Arabic makeup look and it would be super royal and dramatic. Okay, let's start with face. First I am applying some Vaseline on my face, and here I am using some sellotape of my outer corner to achieve a perfect sharp eyeshadow. And now the first step is prepping your eyelid. इसके लिए I am using Swiss Beauty का concealer. And here I am using the first eyeshadow palette from PAC Cosmetics, and I am taking cool brown shade for my outer corner. Now I am taking a reddish brown shade from my outer corner all the way to inner corner and blend the both eyeshadow well together. Now I am using a dark purple shade and apply it over the previous one and blend it together. For my eyelid I am using reddish and bluish purple shade. Both are shimmery and mix it all together. To balance out with the purple shade, I am applying a golden orange shimmer shade to my inner corner. Now I am taking a black eyeshadow and apply it to my outer corner to create a hollow wing liner. Eye makeup almost 50% done हो गया. Now the satisfying part is removing the tip. For face makeup, I am using a stick foundation as my concealer, and for foundation I am using Maybelline Super Stay LUMI-MATTE. I am using Swiss Beauty loose powder to set all the cream products. और ब्लश और ब्रॉन्जर के लिए मैंने नोट कॉस्मेटिक्स के ब्लशर यूज़ की है. लोअर लैश लाइन पे I am using same eyeshadow color, first dark and then light. Now I am creating a lower wing and smudge it with a black and purple eyeshadow. Here I have created double wing liner and बीच में मैंने white eye pencil को use किया है. For lips I am using a purple and blue shade to achieve a perfect combination, but आई मेकअप के साथ ये वाला लिप कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत ही डल लग रही थी, इसीलिए मैंने बाद में एक मैजेंडा शेड को इसके ऊपर से अप्लाई किया है. Now the combination is absolutely perfect. Later I will apply some lip gloss. Before that, quickly change my clothes, put some jewelry and coming back right away to show you the final look. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel and please support.